Something really interesting is going on in the stock market right now. It turns out that stocks and oil prices are moving hand in hand with each other very closely. It turns out that Thomson Reuters has put this correlation between oil and the stock market at 96%. That means that they're moving in the same direction and at the same percentage, almost exactly the same. Now that's really important. Why is that so important? Well, first off, correlation does not tell us what's causing what to move. Are stocks following oil? Is oil following stocks? Or are they both following something else? Some other causal factor? Well, after yesterday's movement in the stock market, I think it's pretty clear that stocks are following oil prices. The oil price market, spiked, and the stock market did too. So I think it's pretty clear to say, although I can't prove it, that stocks are following oil. So that's really important because people are concerned about deflation. That's very unusual to have deflation in the stock market. Generally, we have inflation in the U.S. economy at a rate of about 1 to 2% annually. So we really haven't seen deflation since the 1930s, after the Great Depression. For us to see deflation after we have pumped so much money into the U.S. economy in the last 8 years, since President Obama got in office, that's really disconcerting. And so the stock market is looking at oil prices as a measure of deflation. Now, we had deflation in the 1930s because the government, not knowing what they were doing, didn't put money into the economy. We've put a whole bunch of money into the economy. So if we get deflation now, there's nothing left for us to do. We've already pumped as much money as we possibly can into the economy, and it's not helping anymore. So if we have a disaster now financially, then we're in big trouble. That's what this boils down to. Now, we're also, yes, we're keying off of problems in China, the world's second biggest economy. Yes, we have huge debt. Yes, the world has a lot of debt in Europe. Yes, there's been problems in Greece and whatever. But right now the market is really keying off oil prices. This is something we need to watch closely as investors. So if you want to know what's going on, that's what's happening. That's why the market appears to be so closely correlated. And I would tell you that if oil prices go down further, if the prices of other commodities, food, cars, houses, everything, if prices go down more, we have across-the-board deflation. It's going to be bad, and it's going to tank the economy and the stock market with it in a big way. We're talking over 50% down from the high in the Dow Jones Industrial Average. So keep an eye on that, folks. Please comment if you have any questions or comments below. I'd like to hear from you. And please like this video. This is Greg Kilpack signing off. Look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.